How's it going, everyone out there on the internet? Chris Oram here, smart home expert. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys a video on my top 5 product recommendations for anyone that's just beginning their smart home. So if you guys are looking to just start your smart home and you're looking for the best products for you to buy, this video is for you. Stay tuned. My goal of setting up this list is to make it available to the masses. You can use these products in just about any smart home space, whether it's owned or rented, permanent or temporary. Alright, so clearly we're going to have to start it off with the brains behind the operation, the operating system. So we can either choose from Lady A, Google, or Apple. So my top choices would either be the Amazon Echo system or the Apple HomeKit system. So I can recommend both for a variety of different reasons. However, if you're looking for a budget one, I would start with Lady A. And then if you're willing to spend more money and you're already in the Apple ecosystem, I would definitely recommend the HomePod Mini. I'll leave the prices on the screen as well as down in the description box below, so you guys can pick up any of these products using some of the affiliate links. So going in sequential order, the second product that I would recommend to you guys is definitely the Phillips Hue Starter Kit. So the Phillips Hue line will give you lighting and ambiance and mood lighting for any sort of situation you have in your home. So these are gonna require the Phillips Hue bridge, so that comes with the starter kit as well. You can get a few bulbs in the starter kit as well. You can either get 2 or 4 bulbs, and I would recommend getting the white and color ones. That way you can kind of pick what sort of mood you're in. It's obviously going to be a little bit more for the RGB technology. As well, the starter kit comes with a dimmer switch, so you can turn it on, off, as well as dim it up and down. So that would be my second recommendation for smart homes. My recommendation for the third product that someone should buy just beginning their smart home is another Philips Hue product. It'll work with your lights, it'll work with any other automations or routines that you want to set it up with, and that's going to be the Philips Hue motion sensor. I chose the Philips Hue motion sensor because it's going to fit right into the ecosystem of the Hue line of products, in which we already have the bridge for. So this can activate our lights, other routines, and other automations that we set up. And I feel that a motion sensor is definitely one of those products that you're going to want to get in the beginning, and then we can just keep powering out from there. So definitely going to get a motion sensor as the third recommended product. So let's see what we got for number 4. My fourth product recommendation for anyone beginning a smart home is an indoor camera. You may ask why I chose an indoor camera compared to an outdoor camera or a doorbell camera. I chose the indoor camera because I feel that it can appeal to anyone, whether you just have a room to yourself, you have an apartment to yourself, you have a rented home, or you have an owned home. The indoor camera can be used for a variety of different purposes, such as home monitoring, watching a young one, or seeing your home when you're not around. So I think that the one I would recommend to you guys is the Aqara G2H Hub. I'm recommending this one because not only will you get a camera and a hub into the Aqara ecosystem, but it delivers a variety of different options for you to join the Aqara ecosystem and get additional sensors such as motion sensors, water leak sensors, door sensors, and other contact sensors. So that would be my fourth product recommendation, and you can use this camera within the HomeKit ecosystem. For my fifth product, I went back and forth between a couple different products, but I ended up choosing the smart plug. So I ended up choosing the Meross smart plug, as always linked down below, but this is going to allow you to turn any AC powered device into a smart device. So if it can be powered on or off, it can be controlled via the smart home ecosystem. So definitely want to use it for anything along the lines of a fan, a light, a toaster, a coffee maker. Any of these things can be taken advantage via smart plug. And the best thing about these smart plugs is that you can automate them to work at certain days and certain times. So let's say you come home after work at 5, you want to have a certain light turn on at 5, you can do that via a smart plug. So it's totally awesome for turning dumb devices into smart devices. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to drop a like, comment, and share with your friends. I hope you guys got some value out of this. As always, all the links for the products will be in the video description using those Amazon affiliate links. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly. My email is chris@chrisoram.com. And if not, I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow. Peace.